In today's video, let me show you how to make your Android apps hidden in settings without using any app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. So let's start. First, place your two fingers on your screen and pinch it to zoom in. Next, click the desktop setting at the bottom right corner. In here, scroll down until you find Hide Apps and click on it. Next, click the plus button or Add Remove. After that, select apps you want to hide and click those. Now just tap the home button and your apps will automatically hide on your screen. And there you have it. You have successfully hide your apps on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.